Good evening and welcome to this year's global maths and science lesson. It's an annual maths and science lesson, and this is an announcement. It's happening on Thursday, September the 23rd, and what it's all about learning maths with games. And tonight's game is actually one of the games on the day. So it's a 30-minute lesson that children from all over the world in lots and lots of dozens and dozens of countries around the world will be playing the same game on the same day. And this is a sneak preview of one of the games. The games this year are all about fractions. And we have here a fraction wall. And what I'm going to do is just a two-person game, or it can be two groups of people. Everyone can have their own sheet and play in with two people, or it can be a presenter versus the rest of the class. So I'm going to roll two dice. You can do two dice, or there are different ways of randomly generating the numbers up 1 to 6. You can do a spinner as well. I've got a spinner here, which gives numbers 1 to, numbers 1 to, ow. It has a thumbtack which came out and it pierced me. Here we go. So there's a spinner. You can do that, and there's you can do 1 to 6 or 1 to 12. You can do it whichever way you like. So, but I'm going to use two dice. So here we go. And the idea is you get the small number on top and the large number underneath. As you can imagine, you can expand this game so that you can choose different types of fractions, but this one is super simple. So we've got 2 on top, 4 underneath. So I've got to work out, if I've got 2 on top and 4 underneath, what did I manage to get? Well, I think I managed to get half. Well, I don't even need to work it out too much. I've got 2 quarters, 2/4. So 1, 2, I can put my line there. And that is where I got to. Now let's see. My opponent got 2, 6. Let's see, 1, 2. So they got to there. But you can also see 2 quarters is a half, and you can see it clearly there. And 2, 6 is also 1/3. You can see it clearly there. So let's just play one more time. I won that one. Okay. Oh dear, this does not bode well for whoever I'm playing against right now. So that's 3 quarters. 1, 2, 3. So I go to there. And my opponent, let's see. 1, 2, 3 quarters. It's a tie. So I guess on that basis, we have to play one more time for a tiebreaker, or best of 3. And 4/5. Oh dear. I'm going to be, this shows a bit of my nature. I'm going to pretend that was my opposition's throw. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 4/5. So that goes up to there. Is there anything else that's an equivalent? No equivalent fractions there, not on this fraction wall. And 2, 6. Well, it's just as well I change that, because we don't like tiers. Don't do tiers. 1, 2, 6. So the winner is my worthy opponent. So that is the fraction game. Please do sign up for the global maths and science lesson. And I guess I can remove this and make it show me again. Whoopsie, that's not it. So this will be it here. So please do sign up. And if it's something that you're interested in yourselves, or tell schools about it, libraries, if you have a community church that does an educational session, tell them about it. It's on Thursday, the 23rd of September, any time of the day. It's a 30-minute lesson. And the idea is that thousands and hopefully hundreds of thousands of children will be playing the game, doing the 30-minute lesson on Thursday, the 23rd of September. If you do have a group that doesn't meet on the Thursday, it's okay. We have a bit of wiggle room. If you do want to participate, please do. All we need you to do is, but I think the deadline will be the 30th of September for submissions. So we just need you to send in a photo. You need to register first, or else we won't be able to communicate with you and tell you what's going on. So, but after you've done the lesson, send in a photograph of participants actively in the lesson. We don't need faces, just hands will do, bird's eye view will do. It's up to you what you send in. But we will use it on social media, so you must make sure it's okay for us to use it on social media. And we will then, and also you fill in a form with the actual numbers of people that participated, and the grown-ups count as well, by the way. The participants, the grown-ups count as in the numbers. And then we will send you 2 certificates of participation in form of PDF on email. You print them out and you can put the names of all the participants on the certificates and have them as a keepsake. And if you participate every year, then we'll have different certificates every year, and you can have a proud wall of your global maths and science lesson certificates. Please do tell other people about it. The link is in the description to I don't know where the description is. It depends what media you're on, what social media you're on. The link is in the description, and please register. And if you don't want to participate yourself, please tell others about it. That would be amazing. Thank you very much, and see you tomorrow with the next quick game for the global maths and science lesson.